Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Sweetie Nail Supply YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and swatching two new collections from Migothic. Then we'll use them to create these magical nails that you're seeing right here. Diving right in, we're going to begin with the Start Beige collection, which includes 10 beige shades that are perfect for natural looking nails. When you first open the box, you will see this swatch card here, which you can use to display all the colors in the collection. So whether you're looking for a perfect match for yourself or others, it'll be easy to do so. As we mentioned earlier, there are 10 shades in this collection. However, they are divided into warm and cool. So we're going to swatch each of them so you can get a feel for the range of the colors. The first 5 shades we're going to swatch are considered the cool tone shades, and the first thing you'll notice right away is the consistency. It has this semi-syrup texture that gives amazing coverage with just one coat, making application effortless even if you are a beginner. Beginning with shade number 6, we are now swatching the cool tones. We're done with the swatches, so let's go ahead and place them on the swatch card so we can see all of the colors next to each other so we can get a complete view of everything this collection has to offer. Next up, let's take a look at the sparkling collection, and just like the previous set, this also includes 10 gel polishes, but these are magnetic gels and the magnet is included with the collection. Alongside the magnet, you will also receive a swatch card to display all of the colors. So we're going to swatch each of them individually and take a look at them up close. The sparkling collection has a mix of soft, muted shades, but don't be fooled because these are not your typical cat eye polishes. They've got glitter, large pearl-like magnetic particles, and even iridescent shimmer that catch the light beautifully. The magnet that comes with the set is super strong and lets you move those larger particles into the exact place where you want them, and it is so satisfying to watch. Now that we've swatched the entire collection, let's go ahead and put some of these Migothic polishes to work. Starting off, we're going to be taking shade number 4 from the Start Beige collection and applying a thin layer of this, and you can see that it has great one coat coverage, and we're going to go ahead and cure. But if you would like, you can also build the coverage a little bit more and add a second coat like we're doing here. After curing, we're going to be taking shade number 9 from the Sparkling collection and creating a smile line with a thin liner brush. Once we have our smile line in place, we are going to fill in the empty space by working our way from the smile line up to the tip of the nail and then grabbing our magnet to move those larger particles around. Once those particles are right where we want them, we're going to cure and then take shade number 10 from the Sparkling collection, which is this deeper purple, and place it right on top of the lighter purple. This time though, we're going to be holding the magnet on the left side, then the right side, and right at the top so that we can shift all those magnetic particles to the center of the French tip. Now that we're satisfied with where the particles are laying, we're going to cure this and then take the Divock Zero Matte Top Gel and apply a thin layer of this all over the nail because we will be doing an isolated chrome design. We're going to go ahead and cure and then grab the doughy multi-white and a thin liner brush and then draw a small line that outlines the bottom half of the French tip. We're not going to cure just yet because we're going to be drawing some stars on the bottom half of the nail. So starting with the dotting tool, we're going to place one small dot in the center and then take our thin liner brush and pull outwards to create the rays of the star. Now we're going to place 3 small dots on the nail just to add a little more sparkle, and then we're going to go ahead and cure. Next, we're going to be taking some gold chrome and placing it right on top of the white areas, and you can see that the chrome sticks perfectly. To get rid of the excess chrome, we're going to be taking a fluffy brush and dusting it away, then going in with a no wipe top gel and placing it all over the nail and curing. Next, we're going to grab the Gen B Crazy Top Thick and place a small dot right in the center of the star and right in between these small golden dots to attach some rhinestones. Once our rhinestones are in place, we're going to cure and then repeat this exact same design for 3 out of the 4 remaining fingers because we will be doing a different design for the ring finger. These steps will remain the same that we just went through, so applying our Migothic Sparkling Collection polishes and then taking our magnet and moving those particles around. And look how satisfying it is. Once those particles are in place, we're going to go ahead and complete our isolated chrome design. Now we're going to do our second design for our ring finger, and we're going to be using this champagne color from the Sparkling Collection and apply a thin layer of this, but we're going to leave it wet so that we can move those particles around on the nail and shift them right to the center. And now we're going to cure the first layer and then go in with a second layer so everything can pop even more. And look at all the glitter and the iridescent colors peeking through, making this polish just magical. We're going to cure this again and then go in with the Devoc Zero Matte Top Gel, apply a thin layer and making sure to cure once we're done. Using the doughy multi-white, we're going to be creating some stars, just like we did in the previous design. So starting off with our dotting tool, placing small dots on the nail, and then taking a thin liner brush and pulling outwards to create the rays of the star. Next, let's fill in the empty space by placing small dots in between each of the stars and then curing once we're done applying them. Next, we're grabbing some gold chrome and placing it right on top of that doughy multi-white. To remove the excess chrome, we're taking a big fluffy brush and dusting it away. We're sealing everything in with a no wipe top gel and then curing once we're done. And lastly, we're using the Crazy Top Thick to attach our rhinestones, and then we're going to cure once we have everything in place. We really hope you enjoyed this video featuring the new Migothic Start Beige and Sparkling collections. Everything featured in today's video will be linked in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next video. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.